Andrea and Gigi coming to you from the Good Stuff in Jupiter, Florida. Today we are going to do a tutorial on black waxing. We have this little nightstand here, and so here is the black wax from Annie Sloan, and then the wax brush.
I've clear waxed this piece. This is now the Annie Sloan black wax. You can see it's like really soft. It's again the consistency of Crisco. It wipes off really easily. So I've already done the clear wax on this. So now I'm gonna just barely dip my bristles into the black wax. And because I'm always a mess, I just always keep some paper towels or a rag with me, and I just dab off my bristles. Now, again, I've already clear waxed, so I'm gonna go with the grain, and I'm just gonna give it a few swipes, and then I'm gonna wipe it back. If it's not dark enough, I can do it again. I can let it sit for a little longer before I wipe it back. But you know what? I'm really happy. That's just perfect. What I was trying to do was not make it a flat gray piece. I wanted to give it a little texture and a little movement. And for that, the black wax is perfect. So now I'm gonna keep on going. And again, I'm gonna go with where I think the grain is. So I'm gonna go horizontally here. I'm gonna go vertically here. That's just what my eyes see, so I hope you agree. Okay, so I'm dabbing off my bristles again, just because I'm a hot mess and I always use too much. Less is more, you can always add more. I'm just going with the grain over my clear wax. And I don't know how dark this will be, so I'm just gonna I'm gonna wipe it back. Oh, look, that's pretty good. And the reason that was so successful was because I clear waxed it first, allowing my black wax to have a little more slide and wipeability. If I wanted it to be heavier with the black, I would just let it sit a little longer, or I could very easily apply it again. But what I wanted to do for this piece is just give it a little bit of texture, a little bit of movement. It's got the black marble top. So I'm gonna make it coordinate with that and just give it, like I said, it's just not a flat gray piece then. So I added too much, which happens. So the way to erase it, I've got a little bit of clear wax, and I'm gonna just go back over my black wax where I feel I got too much, and it almost acts as an eraser, and it is because I clear waxed it first. So it just kind of will re-blend out the splotches that I got. Okay, I'm coming back into here. I kind of have a splotch right there, and it will soften it there, and it doesn't look as severe. Hopefully that's better.
Okay, so this is the clear waxed side. This has no black wax on it yet. So that's what that looks like. And then on the other side, you'll notice where she she used her black wax here to just give it that dimension. So that's what the two sides look like, with and without the black wax.
I think that's it. Ta-da!